Czechurkowski. I hail from New Hampshire in the United States of America.
Hello, I'm Jeff McCullough from the University of Minnesota in the USA.
Hi, I'm Sue Johnson, and I'm Director of Clinical Education at Blood Center of Wisconsin.
My name is Dr. Katerina Pavinsky. I'm from Toronto, Canada. And
Hi, I'm Ross Fasano, and I'm delighted to be here at the AABB's meeting.
My name is Hiba Al-Hmeidan. I'm a consultant clinical pathologist, subspecialized in transfusion medicine and blood. My sincere thanks goes to our speakers, to all our speakers, and the AABB organizing committee for traveling such a long distance to share their knowledge with us.